Double Diamond Railroad back. We're held up on our mail call because of the President's Day. So we got a project to do here. We picked up the spackle down in Tennessee from Lowe's, and we're going to clear out the intermodal track so we can clean it. I have to clear out the yard and I don't have room here. I'm really tied up. So we have to do several moves. We'll just be quiet and caption everything after we get it done. Hope it works. I've been away for 10 days. It's like relearning everything. Had to take an engine out because I don't have room to put him in there. I can't get him railed. No room. They sitting to get a little grungy on the wheels. Carbon buildup. Now my tripod's frozen up. It's cold down here. Yeah, I see it's too tight. That's the next project. Get all those paint bottles over here in one of my drawers. Plastic drawers, but we got it turned upside down, put the wheels on the new cart. Okay, we're gonna have to take them all the way around to the back side. I'll throw a switch back here, one of the hardest to reach. Put them in the, yeah, I can shove them in the passing siding in the west yard. That's what we'll do. Drop them spots or we're gonna have a big shadow. into the yard lead.
Reverse is on two, and I'll give you back one. Yep, 71, okay, open up main one, Maya Town Street, okay, reverses. Crossover main one to main two, open up main two, see no islands, okay, unnecessary reverses, main two, see no islands, and closing up one L. NSL 71, 3328, permission to open up, occupy main one, Myers and Town Street. Speed reverse. Cross over to two, Eiler C&O with reverses on two as well, and I'll let you know when I'm clear one. All clear.
Get that Stony River into view there. It's going to look a lot better tomorrow after I get my mail shipments. Just a little tweak to the look.
CSX dispatcher. Alright, okay, west.
I think, okay, we're going to pull up some more because I think we can clear the road back there. Leave that open.
CSX, yeah.
There we go. Got to back up just a hair. Okay, we're clear. We're clear at both ends. See, the other road is open to the cement plant. There's a nice derail in the yard. Have to clean that up before we can do any more. We got to get in here. Probably going to take out them back cars too. I don't want anything getting damaged when I'm trying to sculpt a mold, spackle the track down here, loading track. So got to get all those cars out, and these containers are in the way. Can't have them sitting there getting stuff on them. That should do it then. We'll clean it up, get it rigged as fast as I can so I get that stuff down, get it curing. That'll be one thing we get accomplished today. It's about all we can do until we get our materials in tomorrow. I did call and confirm post office closed instead of what it said on the Google page, said it was open. There you go. Okay, take care, guys. Good to be back in the saddle. A little discombobulated, but we'll get back in a groove again. It's hard to even get my mind locked in on what I had to do here. So we had a good time Tennessee with the grandbaby. Let's see, train-wise, yeah, we saw trains in LaGrange we posted. We were close to a big one, heading southbound through east side of Louisville, and I just missed him on the way home. I kept watching the tracks beside the road down by the Ford plant, but he must have beat us by like 2 minutes. Never saw him. Heard him on the radio, and that was all. Heard the call-out points, know where they are, but I didn't see him. Take care. God bless. Have a great week coming up. We'll get more out tomorrow. Double Diamond Railroad out.